What is up,
Hey
y'all?
guys,
Today it is Sheriff VR, and I'm here with my friend Jackson underscore plays underscore AC
underscore VR.
And we are currently in OG Animal Company in 2025. Did you shoot me? Okay. So anyways, we're gonna go hunting for monsters and we're gonna go kill them. So yeah, let's go. So we're gonna have to go to the dark forest, so let's go ahead and get a big light.
And yeah, guys, this is a really OG version of Animal Company, and your hands are like balls.
Okay, that sounded a little bit sus.
Bruh.
And also our hands are not balls.
And if y'all want to be in a video with us, just
join his Discord.
Bruh. They're gonna have to go to my channel, but I barely have any subscribers.
Yeah. But anyways, let's go.
So, I only have like 17 subscribers, so I have my Discord in the bio though. So, if you wanna
Wait, watch this, watch this.
join my Discord. May there be light.
That's one of the backpacks. You got shotgun ammo in there. Alright, let's not for light. Let's not for light. Light, be off! What's that noise? I hear water. Why do I hear water?
I don't know.
Alright. This is the perfect spot for me to reload my shotgun ammo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, you ready?
I don't have anything.
You grabbed the wrong bag! Look up. Oh. Let's go. No, I found the way. OG Animal Company is kind of more creepier. OG Animal Company is creepier. Why is OG Animal Company so much more creepier? Is that a time bomb?
Yeah.
Ooh, he looks ugly! Ugly! I'm scared. Oh, that's shoot. I did nothing. I just wasted 2 bullets for nothing. Ooh. Electricity room.
Let's hope we're back.
No. Run. Run. Bro, what you doing? I am here in the shadows. Wow. This is some great fan art. You want to steal the rest of the shotgun ammo and then let's just go out? It's funny. I'm still doing that.
Still get money?
Oh my god, that's crazy. Hold on, wait. We still get money, that's insane. Let's try to see if I can find these.
But it doesn't overheat. I broke the sound barrier. Josiah?
What did you do?
I broke the sound barrier over there.
Whoa, what the?
I kept spamming it, and it broke the sound barrier.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna flag. Ah! Anyways, if you want to get this mod, my friend will link the thing down in his bio. So, if you want,
I'll do it in my Discord.
Yeah, you'll do it in Discord. But first, you have to
When you post this video, press share my YouTube account and put it in your whatever. I forgot.
do it.
Put it in the video.
Yeah, I'm saying video.
Alright,
you want to add him? Let's go.
My YouTube account is Jackson_VR, and it should show a gorilla with a pink beanie, and he's white, and he also has a red and a fire flag.
There's a freaking twirl. Anyways, that's the end of this video, and bye.